Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses a little bit of West Virginia, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., southern Maryland, and far southwestern Delaware. Cities in today's slate include Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Richmond, Virginia. And there are 5 marginals for today. One covering southeastern Indiana, southern Ohio, northeastern Kentucky, most of West Virginia, southern Virginia, northern North Carolina, the Maryland Panhandle, northern and east central Maryland, and parts of Delaware. A second marginal today covers extreme southeastern Minnesota and much of Wisconsin. The third marginal today covers extreme southeastern Texas. The fourth marginal today covers northwestern Texas, the southern half of the Texas Panhandle, and southwestern Oklahoma. And the fifth marginal today covers parts of Oregon and parts of Idaho. Cities in today's marginals include Baltimore, Maryland, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Greensboro, North Carolina. Going to today's tornado threat. There is no tornado threat for today. So that's good news. Going to the wind for today. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today, covering parts of West Virginia, a little bit of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, Washington, D.C., and southern Maryland, as well as extreme southwestern Delaware. The 15% wind risk area today includes Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Richmond, Virginia. And there are 5 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering southeastern Indiana, northeastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, northern North Carolina, southern Virginia, most of West Virginia, the Maryland Panhandle, northern Maryland, as well as east central Maryland, and parts of Delaware, and very far southwestern edge of Pennsylvania. The second 5% wind risk today covers extreme southeastern Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin. The third 5% today covers far southeastern Texas. The fourth 5% today covers northwestern Texas, the southern half of the Texas Panhandle, and southwestern Oklahoma. And the fifth 5% wind risk today covers parts of Oregon and parts of Idaho. The 5% wind risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Greensboro, North Carolina. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms today. Alright? So, yeah, within the black dashed area. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be hurricane force gusts outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be hurricane force gusts outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force gusts from thunderstorms will be within the black dashed area. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area, but still in the wind risk, could still see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, okay? Which is plenty damaging. Alright, cities in the black dashed area today include Boise, Idaho, Meridian, Idaho, Caldwell, Idaho, Eagle, Idaho, and Kuna, Idaho. And now for the hail threat, there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering a little bit of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, really. One of the 5% hail risk areas today covers a little bit of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, Washington, D.C., southern Maryland, and far southwestern Delaware. A second 5% hail risk today covers far southeastern Minnesota and much of Wisconsin for that second 5%. And the third 5% today covers northwestern Texas, the southern half of the Texas Panhandle, and southwestern Oklahoma. The 5% hail risk areas today include Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Lubbock, Texas. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of the Mid-Atlantic states this afternoon into the early evening. Strong to severe gusts, 50 to 65 miles per hour, capable of wind damage will be the primary hazard with the stronger thunderstorms. Alright? That's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Even the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. You don't know what the heck marginal can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slate, because excuse me, you especially don't know what the heck slate can pull off sometimes. And I'm gonna check. Alright, so there is already marginal for day 2, so I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. So stay tuned for my day 2 outlook this afternoon. So meanwhile, stay safe, take care.